Good morning, students. Hope all are good in health. Today we shall discuss our same chapter name issue of debentures. Topic, it is a new topic name issue of debentures with terms of redemption. We have finished three types of issue. One is debenture issue for cash, we have finished it. Debenture issue other than cash, consideration other than cash is also finished. And debenture issue as a collateral security, this sum also finished our last class. This is another topic, issue of debentures with terms of redemption. First, debentures issue is a loan liability and therefore are redeemed on their due date. Debentures may be issued either at par or premium or a discount. Share cannot be issued at a discount, but debentures may be issued at a discount. Debentures, another thing, debentures may be or debentures are redeemed may be premium or at par. I repeat again, debentures are redeemed may be premium or at par. In case of redemption of debentures with a premium, the amount as a premium payable on redemption is accounted as the payable as on the time of issue. I repeat again, in case of debentures are redeemed on premium or at a premium, the amount payable as premium on redemption is accounted as a payable on the time of issue. There are 6 situations under the terms of redemption. This is the first total 6 situation or 6 options. Option 1, issue at par, redeemable at par. Issue at par. Issue at par means issue price rupees 100, redeemable price also rupees 100. It is called issue at par, redeem at par. At par. Issue price, debenture issue at nominal value or face value, this is called 100, and redeemable also at par rupees 100. Second option, issue at discount. Debenture may be issued at a discount. So, discounted price, suppose face value 100, issue price 90, but redeemable price 100. It is called a issue price 90 but redeemable price 100. Issue discount, redeemed at par. Third option, issue at premium. Issue at premium. Issue at premium means nominal value or face value 100 but issue price 110. Redeemable at par. Redeemable also 100. Company take amount rupees 110, 10 rupees extra more than face value, but at the time of redemption amount rupees given to, amount is to be given 100. This is called a premium and at par. Next one, issue at par. Issue 100 rupees. Issue at par. Redeemable at premium. Issue at par. Issue at par 100 rupees. Redeemable 110. At the time of issue, company take amount collected 100, but at the time of redeemable, company is to be redeemed 110 rupees. Next one, issue at discount. Issue at discount 10 rupees less than the face value or nominal value, but redeemable at premium. Redeemable 110. And last one, issued at premium. Issued at premium 110, but redeemable also premium. Redeemable also premium. 110 taken, 110 is to be paid. This is the sixth option. At par, at par. Discount at par. Premium at par. At par, redeemable with premium. At discount, redeemable with 110, and 110 premium. This is the sixth option, issue of debentures with the terms of redemption. This is the very important topic. Maximum sums are coming from this topic, on this topic. Thank you.